What's going on, you guys? Just got the new trunk from VIS. Huge shout out to Blacklist Motorsports for hooking it up. Joe at Blacklist has been a really big help. He's actually the previous owner of this car, but he hooks it up with absolutely everything. If you need any parts like 326, PANDEM, VIS, anything like that, just go to Blacklist, hit them up. They'll give you a really good price. And honestly, since I'm so close with them, I didn't have to wait for shipping, which was awesome for the trunk. So as you guys can see, got the brand new trunk. We're going to be throwing it on today. So for the people that don't know, this is the VIS SS trunk, not the AMS. The AMS one is a little bit different. I believe the difference is mostly in the ducktail, or the top half of the trunk. It's way more aggressive on the SS rather than the AMS. So I ended up going with the SS. This was also the one I had previously, for the people that don't know that. I had the same exact trunk, yes, but it had around 20 holes in it because I was running the GT wing from PANDEM, and I really wanted to change the wing setup. So I ended up selling the trunk and the wing to my good friend Wolfie. So that was the last vlog, was dismounting it to drop it off at Wolfie's friends immediately after I ended that vlog. But yeah, you guys already saw all that. Not go check it out. If you need any help with ever dismounting your trunk, you got a new trunk. But today we're going to be putting the new one on. So I got the new one. We got all the wiring and stuff in the trunk. So that's the lock, the lights. There's only like 4 bolts, I believe. So we got the 4 bolts. We got 2 on each side, and that's pretty much it. And after that, it will all be installed. We just got to do all the wiring, and it should be a really easy install. You know, everything should be pretty straightforward with cars, but you know, it doesn't always go that way. But hopefully, I'm praying that this will only take like 10 to 15 minutes, so it should be easy. But yeah, I'm gonna have some help from my dad holding the trunk in place, because you can't really do that yourself. It's a really lightweight trunk, but honestly, can't hold it myself. So I'm gonna go get some help, and I'll be right back. Alright, so took the second piece off. Gotta put all the, gotta put the lock and the lighting in here. So gonna do all of that and then screw this back on. We're pretty much done. Yeah, just gotta feed all the wiring through the trunk into the harness that goes by this tail light, and then we'll pretty much be done. Went pretty smooth. Fits really great, honestly. It looks really nice. It looks way better than when it had all the holes in it before, or the mounts. Really excited. I'm really hyped to see how this comes out. All right, you guys. We ended up getting the trunk on, like I said, but this won't stay correctly. This will not stay correctly. So I might end up having to glue that or something. I just don't think the fitting is 100% correct, because the trunk seems like it's for New Year's. I don't know. I'm having a hard time at least getting this stuck in here. It's stuck right into the body though, so I guess that's mostly important. That water won't actually get into the trunk. We just need to figure this out. Probably honestly just end up gluing it, like I said. Got the wiring harness through perfectly. It can still connect down here. You can still reach, just plugged it in. But yeah, so that's all plugged in, and then we're gonna get the lights in and everything just on the top here. So we're gonna get the lights mounted through here, and the lock. I seem to have lost the bolts for the actual lock that goes on the outside of the trunk, so I might need to find some if I honestly actually can't find them. But yeah, should be easy. That might honestly be the only obstacle. But yeah, I'm probably gonna set the camera back up and figure this out. But honestly, it's been really smooth so far. So if you guys install this yourself, honestly, really low experience. Just make sure you don't drop the trunk, obviously. But yeah, you should be fine, honestly. Just nothing really, no risk really. Fitment's perfect, and as long as you've never been rear-ended, everything should fit just 100% perfect and really flush. So I absolutely love this trunk, and the lines are amazing. So I'll show you guys once it's all done what it looks like closed and everything, how I did all the wiring. Obviously it's the same as stock, but you know, maybe in case you guys run into any bumps, hopefully I can help out with that. Alright, you guys, so a little update. I could not get these lights to actually bolt down. Oh, get it to focus while I hold it. I could not get these lights to actually bolt in the trunk. It seems like it was a little bit too thick. So what I did, they'll actually hold in place here. I pretty much just put this second piece back over. I'm gonna have to screw this on, so I'll show you guys what I actually did. But the lock I bolted in. Harness right here that I I got in, bolted these in here, and then bolt down here. I only used one bolt to hold it in because the other bolt that's gonna hold it in is on this, comes from this piece. So there's a bolt that goes down, that's that bolt. So yeah, the lock's fastened, those lights are gonna be stuck in place. Just need to put these harnesses in and then bolt down the second piece and we'll literally be done. Actually, gotta put the license plate on, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna mount the camera back up and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing as I go and we'll pretty much be done here. So yeah, I hope this video hasn't been too boring and it honestly hasn't been that exciting. But yeah, it's gonna look great. I'm really excited for how this trunk's gonna turn out. We're gonna go get some photos later, hopefully. It's like honestly a perfect day. There were clouds in the sky. But yeah, it's like it's a really nice day out. There's some clouds over there. I don't know if you guys can see. There's some clouds out, so hopefully we'll be able to go get some photos of the new trunk setup. Hopefully I'll be able to get some photos of the new trunks. There's someone's like graduation down the street. I don't even know if you guys can hear the honking. And there's birds. But yeah, let's get right to it and hopefully get this trunk all finished in a couple of minutes. Alright you guys, so we got them all on, got all the bolts bolted, pretty much everything's done. So, well, actually everything is done. Yeah, so we're all done here. Wasn't too hard, definitely not. Got all of these bolted on, or got all the clips in, got all the harnesses, everything fits perfect. I gotta mess with these actually. I am having trouble getting those to stay, but I'll figure it out, I'm sure. Got all the harnesses plugged in. Down there, up there, everything's bolted on, nothing's loose except for that light, but it is what it is. Gonna throw the plate on and we'll literally be done. I'm just gonna get this stuck in here, gotta get that fitted, and then gonna wrap up the vlog. So I'm gonna throw the plate on and then I'll see you guys after that. So we got the plate, got the carbon plate frame, just gonna get this all mounted, we're done. One thing I actually did notice that's different from my old trunk, there are actual metal inserts here for the screws. My last trunk actually did not have that, so it must be with the newer trunks, which is really nice. Makes mounting the plate a lot easier, because last time it seemed as if the holes were drilled themselves. But now we have metal inserts, or yeah, metal inserts, so that's super nice. So gonna get this mounted and wrap it up. Alright you guys, so the trunk is on, it's all mounted, it looks absolutely amazing. I'm so hyped for this. So I'm gonna go get some photos a little later today, and this isn't in focus. I'm gonna go get some photos a little bit later today, but sorry, it's a little windy. Hopefully there's no wind noise. But yeah, gonna go get some photos. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I can't wait to get the wing on here. Hopefully that's coming soon, within the next month, I wanna say, hopefully a couple of weeks. If I can pick it up, that would be awesome. But yeah, huge shout out again to Blacklist and VIS Racing for the trunk. They hooked it up big time. I really appreciate you guys who watched. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and comment on anything I could do better. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.